There's a storm coming. A lead storm. Ain't no one got fire rates like me.
Weapon mastery is not for greenbeards, Miner. One weapon only. Are you sure you're ready for this?
It's for me. Ooh. I'm gonna go with this. I killed the loot bug, and I'm not so proud about it. Gimme, gimme, gimme!
The surface is too packed for the supply pod to land. Please clear it.
I'll take this one. Gold. This one looks best. Put a bit of extra kick in
Big
it.
swarm detected. Lock up and get ready.
I'm a new dwarf. Bring the pie!
Objective completed. Excellent job.
Your history! I die a little inside every time I have to take out a loot. Pretty sweet. Attack! Need it! I'm gonna go with this. Hell yes! It's mine! I'm clocking it to 11. I'm gonna do something epic with this. Ooh.
Landing zone ready. Impact imminent.
What a shot!
Got your sense now. Threat level increased.
Gotta have it. Think you can kill me? Think again. Shoot it in the face. Ooh. Gotta have it. I'm growing stronger.
They're getting worse, Miner.
This is
You need
smart.
to move.
Ooh. He's dead. The door is up, Crate. Need it.
Drop pod has arrived. Get there before the timer runs out. The drop pod is not going to hang around.
this one. Overclock, rock, and stone! Let's clear them out! Ooh. It's for me!
Stage 1 cleared. Be sure to spend your gold and nitro before the next stage.
This is gonna help me be a perfect dwarf. Next! Yes, please!
There's beasties to shoot and work to be done. Get to it, miner.
I hope this mission will pay off handsomely. Ooh. Where's the gold?
The scanner just lit up like a Christmas tree. We got a swarm incoming. Exemplary work. You've achieved your objective in record time.
Never felt better. Loot bug eliminated!
Too much crap in the way. Supplies can't land. Clear it out, miner.
Pay for a precious mineral. It will get you
The
killed.
swarm is heading your way. Load up.
I'll take this one. Pull back the hell. Gotta have it. Ooh.
Prepare to fight for your life. A big swarm is approaching.
Let's get the mineral. Ooh. Ooh. I'm raring to try this out. Think you can kill me? Well, think again. Swallow this. This one makes me want to be a better dwarf. Swallow this. I'm a bullet in the butt. This one suits me best. This works. Hell yeah! Just the upgrade I was looking for. This makes my whole life better.
Quota satisfied. The drop pod is arriving. Get moving. It won't hang
This
around.
one was best. This is the smart pick. This. Yes. Ooh-wee, not too shabby. Say hello to my little friend.
Stage 2
This
completed.
one suits me
Taking you to
best.
stage 3. Well done.
baby. I've been dreaming of something like this. Next! I want it! Let's shake it up!
Only one way to rouse the Dreadnought. Destroy its cocoons. Kill them all, Miner.
I'm ready for a beer when this is over. Pop the loot pump. Let's get the minerals. Don't mind if I do. Red sugar!
Too much crap to send in the supply pod. Clear out the LZ, please.
We got the Horda! Give me that! Let's clear them out! Hell yes! Die, freak! You want some more? I want it! Your history! Dwarves don't die! This is perfect for my build. Off the loot pump. Let's get them in. Think you can kill me? Think you can? Oh, yeah! This is perfect for my build. Your history. Big time. It's gonna frickin' die big time.
Scanner shows clear. Supply pod inbound.
Oh, yeah.
Excellent job. Quota satisfied. The drop pod is arriving. Get moving. It won't hang around.
Lock it in. Suck on this, you freaking nature.
That is another one for the books. Dreadnought eliminated. We're pulling you home.